Fire. Fire has a very important place in human history. It provides heat and light, cooks food, and can help soften and shape some materials, like iron. However, if it is not controlled, it can become a very dangerous force. Now, let's look at 10 interesting and scientific facts about fire. 1. Fire is not actually a material. Fire is not an object we can hold with our hands. During burning, heat, light, and hot gases appear. The flame we see is the visible part of this burning process. When the fuel decreases, the flame gets weaker. When oxygen decreases, burning becomes harder. That is why fire is not a still object, but an ongoing process. When burning ends, the flame also disappears. 2. Fire needs 3 things to burn. For fire to form, fuel, heat, and oxygen are needed. Fuel can be wood, paper, gas, or another burnable material. Heat gives the energy needed for the fuel to start burning. Oxygen helps the burning reaction continue. These 3 things are called the fire triangle. Firefighting methods usually try to remove one part of this triangle. 3. The color of fire can change. A flame can sometimes look yellow, sometimes orange, and sometimes blue. This color depends on the temperature and the type of material that is burning. Some materials can give the flame different colors when they burn. That is why scientists can sometimes use flame color to understand what is inside a material. This method helps identify materials, especially in chemistry experiments. The color of a flame can be a small scientific clue. 4. Smoke can also be very dangerous. In a fire, flames are not the only danger. Smoke is also a serious danger to human and animal health. Smoke can contain harmful gases and very tiny particles. These substances can reach the lungs and make breathing difficult. Some gases, like carbon monoxide, can harm the body without being noticed. Smoke can also become dense very quickly, especially in closed spaces. So we should avoid smoke as well as flames during a fire. 5. Water puts out fire by cooling it. Water lowers the temperature of the burning material. When the temperature drops, the burning reaction cannot continue. That is why water works in many fires. But in an oil fire, water can cause the flames to spread. In an electrical fire, water can increase the risk of electric shock. So not every fire is put out in the same way. First, we need to know the type of fire. 6. Fire made cooking possible throughout history. When humans started using fire, they began to cook food. Cooked food became softer. Heat can also help reduce some harmful microbes. Cooking can make food easier to chew and digest. Some foods can be used by the body more easily after cooking. Fire also helped make foods like meat, root vegetables, and grains safer to eat. That is why fire deeply changed human nutrition. 7. Fire helped humans work with metals. Fire can heat some materials to very high temperatures. This high heat helps some metals become softer. Humans learned to shape metals in this way. Tools made of metal can be stronger than tools made of stone or bone. Stronger tools made farming, hunting, and building work much easier. The controlled use of fire also helped develop materials like ceramics and glass. This was a big step for human technology. 8. Fire can sometimes renew nature. Uncontrolled fires can cause great damage to forests and living things. But in some natural areas, fire can be a normal part of the ecosystem. Some plants can grow more easily after a fire. Some seeds can open better after being exposed to heat. Fire can also reduce dry plant material on the ground. This can create light and space for new plants. That is why fire is not always only destructive in nature. 9. Fire burns differently in space. On Earth, flames stretch upward because hot air rises. In space, gravity is very weak, so hot air does not rise in the same way. That is why flames can look more round in space. Smoke and hot gases also do not move upward like they do on Earth. This makes fire safety more important in spacecraft. 10. Fire guided humans as a source of light. Before electricity, people used fire in the dark. Torches and campfires made it easier to see the surroundings. Fire helped people notice dangers at night. Gathering around the same fire helped people spend time together. Sitting by the fire may have made storytelling and learning together easier. A fire seen in the dark can also become a signal that attracts attention from far away. As you can see, fire is not just a simple flame. It heats, cooks, gives light, helps technology develop, shapes communication, and can also affect nature. At the same time, if we are not careful, it can cause great damage. So, which of these facts about fire surprised you the most? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Thank you for watching.